NAV Canada is committed to ensuring the safest, most efficient movement of aircraft from the Pacific to the Arctic to the Mid-Atlantic, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and support the takeoffs and landings of, at times, over 100,000 aircraft per week.
Our industry is evolving every day, and because safety is at the core of everything we do, our people have to work at the cutting edge. Artificial intelligence, delivery drones, flying taxis. These are just a few of the exciting and complex projects our teams are working on right now.
It takes a huge team to make what we do possible. We need people who understand the importance of our mission and are driven to push us all forward.
We're hiring in all areas of the business, whether it's providing air navigation services, technical services, or business and operational support. Our company is growing to meet the current and the future needs of the aviation industry. You don't need to have prior experience in the aviation industry to work at NAV Canada. Coming from another industry myself, when I started working at NAV Canada, I was amazed to see how everyone works together.
What we do every day is a major responsibility, but the difference we make for so many people is what really makes this career rewarding.
We're more interested in your potential than the list of courses you took in school. NAV Canada offers training, coaching, and support to help people adapt and learn new skills. If you have grit, if you have drive, and if you're interested in working with the latest and best technology, this is absolutely the best place for you.
We often say, for some, the sky's the limit, but to us, it's just the start.